Vaidegrama Ayurveda Healing Village with us, and he will be sharing some of his valuable thoughts on Ayurveda views of diabetes mellitus. Welcome, sir. Sir, can you explain briefly some of the Ayurveda views on diabetes mellitus with us?
Okay. When we are talking about diabetes mellitus, the first thing is that most of the people are treating diabetes mellitus as prameha. But when we are talking in Ayurvedic view, prameha is classified into two types. One of that classifications is madhumeha. We can include this diabetes mellitus in madhumeha. And when we are comparing with the diabetes mellitus known in modern medicine and Ayurveda, it is little different. According to Ayurveda, the diseases are getting because of the derangement of doshas, dhatus, etc. And in prameha, madhumeha, the doshas aggravated, mainly the kapha dosha is aggravated. When one person is taking too much of food, that is called asya sukham. Whatever we like to take when we are taking too much of food, swapna sukham, when one person is sleeping too much, didhini, that is when one person is taking too much of curd or too much of meat, that which is from watery places, too much of fish, like that. And like that, so many causes told in Ayurveda. All of this are aggravating the kapha. That is why the main dosha behind this diabetes mellitus, madhumeha, when we are talking about madhumeha, that is the kapha aggravating things when we are doing. Along with that, when one person is taking too much of this type of nidanas, the causes, that will cause the aggravation of kapha along with the initiation of medas, medo dhatu and mamsa dhatu, along with the pitta. This will be aggravated and it will cause the disease, diabetes. In modern medicine, when they are talking about diabetes mellitus, they are telling about their criteria of diabetes is increasing of sugar level in the blood. But in Ayurveda, that is only one of the symptoms. That increasing the sugar in the blood is one of the symptoms only. The diabetes is a different disease. When Ayurveda is treating this madhumeha, that is mainly not considering the reducing the sugar level. It is treating the madhumeha itself. In other sciences, they are concentrating to reduce the sugar level, that is hypoglycemic medicines. When we are treating with that, the diabetes will be increased slowly. That is why it is called progressive disease. Even though we are controlling the sugar level, the diabetes will be increased and that will make so many complications. And that is why it is becoming a progressive disease and it will become make a complicated condition. When we are treating Ayurveda, the basic condition will be treated and the whole complications will be reduced properly, and the general well-being of the patient also improved. That is the main treatment protocol in Ayurveda.
So, how does the Ayurveda medicine or works in an individual's body, but what is the mode of action of Ayurveda medicines?
When we are treating a patient, the thing is that the patient will expect a sudden reduction of sugar level in the blood. That is because usually the patients are treating in allopathic medicine, and that will reduce the sugar level quickly. But the problem is that the diabetes is not treated, and the sugar level only will be reduced. When we are treating in Ayurveda, the sugar level may be reducing slowly only, but the general health of the patient will be improved. We will treat first the Agni, the digestion, and the digestion will be improved, and the absorption will become good, and we will treat the aggravated doshas, and also the Medo dosha along with that, and the Klayada will be produced in the already produced Klayada will be reduced with the Ayurvedic medicines, and after that only the sugar level will be reduced. But when we are treating Madhumeha, the basic disease will be reduced slowly. According to that, only the sugar level will be reduced. Then the complications will not be happen while doing the Ayurvedic treatment. When we are concentrating on the sugar level only, slowly the diabetic complications will be there, because it is a progressive disease according to the modern science. But when we are treating according to Ayurveda, the sugar level will be reduced slowly, but the total health of the patient will be improved, and according to that, the sugar level is reduced. That is the method of treatment in Ayurveda.
And so, what is the relevance of Ayurvedic treatment or Panchakarma in treating the Madhumeha?
As I told you earlier, the relevance of Ayurvedic treatment is that the Ayurveda is not only considering the reduction of sugar level, but also it is considering the reduction of diabetes or Madhumeha itself. When we are concentrating only in the sugar level, the diabetes will be increased slowly, and it may make so many complications within 10 or 15 years. So all blood vessels will be having the blocks, or the internal organs will be affected, especially the heart, kidneys, liver, like that. All the organs will be affected. But when we are addressing the Madhumeha itself, the disease will be coming down, or we can palliate the condition without any complications. If it is that much aggravated diabetes is there, at least we can palliate the condition and reduce the complications also. That is the relevance of Ayurveda. When we are talking about the Panchakarma, the doshas can be eliminated, the toxins can be eliminated totally with the Panchakarma therapy, and then we can give the medicines for diabetes. First, we have to concentrate to eliminate all the toxins accumulated in the body, the Panchakarma. If the patient is having that much accumulation of toxins, then we have to think about doing the Panchakarma. Then, if we are treating after Panchakarma therapy, that will be more effective because all the toxins are eliminated. That is the importance of Panchakarma. And also it is told that in our text, it is told that we have to do the Vamana, Virechana, Vasti, etc. In the beginning itself, if the patient is patient is strong enough to do the Panchakarma. Otherwise, we have to do the Shamana Chikitsa. alone without doing much.
So we all know that diabetes mellitus can lead to many complications. And what Ayurveda can do in these conditions?
Usually, a diabetic patient or Madhumeha patient uh, may get complications. The complications may start after 10 years or 15 years usually. If they are taking proper medicines for normalizing the sugar level. But if they are not taking the medicines to control the sugar level, even before that itself they may get complications of diabetes. If the patient is coming with these complications, Ayurveda can treat this complication according to its own theories behind that, not by just reducing the sugar level. They can get a good healing with this Ayurvedic treatment according to the condition, if it is diabetic retinopathy or diabetic nephropathy or diabetic neuropathy. Like that, so many conditions are there. When we are treating, we are getting good results with Ayurveda. Along with the main thing is that the general health of the patient will be improved along with that. That is the main thing.
So we know diabetes is one of the lifestyle disorders. And what do you think? What can Ayurveda do to help in such conditions?
In Ayurveda, most of the diseases are considered as wrong, with the wrong lifestyle. According to Ayurveda, there are 4 influencing factors of developing a disease. That is Ahara, the food, Vihara, the activities, Kala, the things which we have to do timely or according to the climatical changes, and also these things are very important in lifestyle. And another thing is that mind, tension, anxiety, or all these stress levels. All these 4 things we have to consider mainly. And when we are treating a disease, we have to change the patient's lifestyle according to that. We have to change the food. Already I told you, Asya Sukam, Sapna Sukam, we're eating like that. Asya Sukam means whatever we like to take when we are taking too much of food, according to the pressure of our time, when we are taking too much of food. Sapna Sukham, that is the sleeping too much and taking too much curd, taking too much meat of wet places, and also the Ichuvikaras, that is the sugar, jaggery, like that, all these things when we are taking too much. Like that, so many nidanas, the causes of the disease are told for Madhumeha. And we have to change all those things. Particularly the ahara, when we are taking too much of madhura rasa, that is the rice, wheat, etc. It is told that when we are taking too much of that, sugar also coming into it. When we are taking too much of that, there is a chance of getting megalogia. This will lead to Madhumeha. And when we are not doing any exercise, this will make the kapha aggravation and also the megalogia and the mamsa doja, like that it will be. And this will lead to Madhumeha. Then we will advise all those things. We have to take food timely, we have to go for sleep timely, like that kala we have to control, and climatically we have to protect the body according to the climate, and mental stress should be reduced. We can provide counseling for that. Like that we have to change the whole lifestyle. then only the complete relief of diabetes can be expected. The patient should be ready for changing their lifestyle properly. Then only they will get the complete relief.
Vaidigrama is introducing a series of online health programs, Sanjeevana, and we are going to begin with Meha Sanjeevana. So, can you please explain more about the purpose and aim of this program, sir?
First, I will explain about our new program, Sanjeevana. We are introducing this program, Sanjeevana, because Vaidigrama wants to reach Ayurveda to each and every one of the society. Even though the modern world is making so many medicines, our morbid condition is increasing. Why it is increasing? Because of the people are thinking that whenever they are getting a disease, they can take a medicine and they can cure that particular condition. But it is not a real thing. When we are getting a disease means that there will be a long process of accumulating toxins in the body and also the aggravation of motion like that. The lifestyle, with a bad lifestyle, we are getting all those things. We have to change our attitude towards the treatment. We are making so many hospitals, and the people are thinking that going to that hospital and treating something and coming back and again continuing the same lifestyle. That is the main problem nowadays. Then the Ayurveda says about a good lifestyle, and if everyone follow that particular lifestyle, they will not get any type of disease and they will get a healthy life. To improve that healthy lifestyle, we are trying to reach each and every one of the society to learn, to teach them about Ayurvedic principles and also to change according to their condition. We can advise the what type of lifestyle they have to attribute. Like that, we can teach them, and this morbid condition of the society can be reduced. Now we know that about 1 out of 5 people are getting the diabetes. Most of the people are getting thyroid problems. Most of the people are getting high BP, high cholesterol, heart diseases. Most of the people are getting fatty liver problems. And all these things are having a undergoing cause, that is the bad lifestyle. We can advise them proper lifestyle according to Ayurveda. Then we can reduce all these conditions according to Ayurveda. Otherwise, they will take the medicine continuously, lifelong medicine they have to take. That is the main problem. Even though they are taking the medicines, these progressive diseases will be increased according to that. Then we have to teach them proper lifestyle, and also we can help them with the medicines also. That is why we are introducing the Sanjeevanam program to teach each and every one of the society to teach the Ayurvedic basic principles and the Ayurvedic method of lifestyle, and we can help them. Ayurvedic treatment is not at all limited to a hospital or any clinic or anything. That should be that we have to spread to each and every people. We had a good culture of Ayurveda earlier, like just each house having a kashaya kalam, a particular pot for making a kashaya, and like that we had a good culture of Ayurveda. Now people lost that culture, and we have to make it again. That is why we are introducing the program Sanjeevan. Uh, as a part of that, we are beginning with the Meha Sanjeevana, that is for diabetes mellitus or Madhumeha. We are beginning with this program, and we expect that the patient will be benefited with that. This is an online program. We can help all the diabetic patients properly and by changing their lifestyle. I told you about the ahara, vihara, ahara, mind, etc. That is the main intuitive missing factors. When we are changing according to the condition, all these things, the food, activities, the things which we have to do timely, and also we have to reduce the stress of the mind, then we can make a good, healthy society. That is why we are introducing this.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for sharing your valuable knowledge and thoughts on Madhumeha and also our new online program, Meha Sanjeevana. Thank you so much. Sarve Bhavatu.